Hello dear 9 ICSE students, now we have come up with a very short video on give one word for the following. इसे ध्यान से देखिए, बहुत स्कोरिंग क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, ये एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर के क्वेश्चंस हैं. This is my third video on MCQs of objective for atomic structure. Total number of protons and neutrons is mass number. Number of electrons present in an atom is atomic number. Bond formed by gain or loss of electrons is ionic bond. उसको electrovalent bond भी कहते हैं. तो you can write both are correct. Bond formed by mutual sharing of electrons, covalent bond. Atoms of same element with different mass number, isotopes. Atoms of different elements having same mass number, isobars. The shell having lowest energy is the K shell. Shell having maximum energy is the valence shell. हम नहीं जानते ना कि उसका L shell है या M shell है कि last shell कौन सा है, तो just write valence shell. Formula used to calculate the maximum number of electrons in a particular shell is 2n square. Bohr-Bury scheme. Iron with, okay, there is one more option. Iron with only one proton in the nucleus is a hydrogen ion. देखिए बच्चों, यहाँ पे आप ना फॉर्मूला नहीं लिख सकते, H प्लस आयन नहीं लिख सकते, आपको पूरा वर्ड्स में लिखना होगा क्योंकि क्वेश्चन है गिव वन वर्ड फॉर द फॉलोइंग. If you write H plus ion, you will get 0. Smallest part of the element, that is atom. This was the simplest question ever. Anyways, so take a screenshot of this and I hope this video will be useful to you, and you can also take a screenshot like this for the questions only and keep practicing without seeing. Do it yourself, then that will boost your confidence. Thanks for watching. Keep sharing. Bye bye.